Moonshot by Brian Floca. Then Armstrong and Aldrin climbed down from the Eagle in heavy gloves, in large round helmets, in suits not made for Earth, in suits made for the moon. Here below, all around them, cold and quiet, no air but life. There is life on the strange and silent, magnificent moon. Armstrong and Aldrin walk its rough, wide places. They step, they hop. As light as boys, they lope, they leap. In the dust and stone beneath their feet, no seed has ever grown, no root has ever reached. Still secrets wait there, the story of the moon. Where did it come from? How old is it? What is it made of? Not green cheese.